I call the Magdalene Mandala. And it's, when you have these patterns that that you see in India or even sometimes on some of the Mayan temples, it actually is, it's energy moving and it's frequency becoming alive. And this is what all of these women were doing. And within that, it was as if that particular spot that we were on all together was activated immensely, and almost like everybody became an entire part of the earth, and that formed a new chakra point in a way for Magdalene consciousness to then just like stream through. Felt like there was a new timeline that was opened through this.